How often have you seen giant Winnebago motorhomes cruising down the interstate, carrying a family to discovery and adventure all across the American landscape? We wondered how these luxurious motorized vacation homes are built, and in the process, we uncovered a great story of all-American initiative and creativity. Back in the 50s, the Hanson family owned a successful furniture and appliance business in the small town of Forest City, Iowa. The owner, John K. Hanson, felt that since his town was suffering some tough economic times, industry should establish itself in Forest City to pump up its financial vital signs. Hanson and his wife Louise were avid travelers and campers, and after buying a travel trailer from the Modernistic Company in Colorado, Hanson decided to open a Modernistic dealership in Forest City. The parent company was soon to go out of business, and Hanson took over the trailer manufacturing operation and moved it to Forest City. For the first few years, the company struggled, but at the same time, the products his company was building were gaining a reputation for quality and durability, in great part because as a camper, Hanson knew what the traveling outdoorsman was looking for. Soon, Winnebago Industries became a thriving, successful business, building trailers and motorhomes in a vast complex covering several acres in that small Iowa town. The name Winnebago was the result of Hanson's frequent travels through the upper Midwest, where at the time, several Native American tribes lived. One tribe was the Winnebagos. Let's take a tour of the Winnebago factory facilities and find out why these motorhomes are considered to be the ultimate in style, comfort, and luxury. New model designs are first constructed in 1/5 scale, and then actual size clay mock-ups are constructed, and their dimensions are recorded in minute increments on computer-aided design software, ensuring a thoroughly integrated unit when eventually produced. Winnebago chassis are one of the few components that are not built exclusively by the company. Most are Ford, Chevy, and even John Deere truck chassis, although the sleek front-wheel drive Lachero series Winnebagos are based on their own frames. Winnebago motorhomes have strong steel cab structures and steel firewalls for increased safety. The bodies are built from a combination of John Hanson's own innovation called thermal panel, which is light but extremely resilient, plus high-quality fiberglass parts, which are all hand-built right in the Winnebago factory, and durable aluminum parts, which once again are built in Winnebago Industries' own shops. Even vacuum-formed plastic parts are designed and constructed right here. Fuel tank corrosion is a common problem in many motorhomes equipped with steel tanks. Winnebago motorhomes come equipped with fuel tanks built from a plastic composite, which is strong, safe, and impervious to moisture. The inside of a Winnebago motorhome is first class, thanks to the hand-built cabinetry which is custom-fitted to the particular style of unit it will be used in. Once again, computers come into play in the design of interior seats and upholstery, as exacting fabric lengths are determined by accurate design programs, which greatly speed up the production process, and the actual construction of seats, upholstery, and cushions is done in another Hanson-owned company, Stitchcraft, located on the Winnebago site. And here inside the largest building on the complex, affectionately called Big Bertha, the three 1,000-foot assembly lines are constantly filled with activity as final construction is completed and finished units are given a careful inspection. And Winnebago Industries goes one step further in maintaining a high level of vehicle safety in their motorhomes by conducting impact tests, such as this one called the drop test, which will graphically point out any design flaws in the finished products. From humble beginnings to the worldwide leadership in the design and construction of an entire family of motorhomes, John and Louise Hanson's creative ideas have given birth to 5 decades of luxurious travel for thousands of modern-day wayfarers. The Winnebago story is truly a song for the open road.